Welcome back to Sophie Joe's 567. Today we're making a Harry Potter wand out of a pencil. Yeah, I know. And so, the thingy things that you will be needing is black or brown paint, a paintbrush. Well, it's kind of like a makeup brush that I never use, but a pencil, a sharpened one, of course. One thing, a brown bag or a piece of paper or a paper plate or something, because that's what you're going to be putting your pencil and the black paint on. So, yeah, you will be needing not a lot, but just put a little bit of black paint. That was not a little bit. On your paper plate or whatever you're using, and just dip your paintbrush in it and just start painting. You can also use this in school because the tip is not supposed to be painted, so it's like a pencil, like it's DIY Harry Potter pencil. You're gonna have to do a lot of coats on this. It has to be a yellow pencil because I already tried the orange ones and they don't work. Well, they work, but you have to do like 50,000 bajillion gazillion coats. And you also have to do like 1,000 bazillion gazillion coats, but today I'm only going to do one. But I'm not going to show you the finished product. I'm going to make like another video like tomorrow because it's going to take a long time to dry. And so wait 4 hours. Yeah. So, yeah. So it's probably going to be, about 8 hours? Because, I have to do like 2 coats. But the thing about don't use makeup brushes because the thing about that is like it does that. So far it's coming good. The paint brushes do they smear. Ah. I really want to put it down, but I can't. Because I should have painted like one side at a time. This is the right video, right? Okay, good. Okay. I got like 50 new followers today on FunUmate. Can't really say it, but that's how I say it. FunUmate. Okay, now I have to hold it by the tip part because I have to paint the eraser. When you want to, this is gonna ruin it. But the eraser, you're gonna like the top of the actual eraser, you're gonna have to paint and then cut it off and then put like another one on, or do something like that. But I usually put like little tiny erasers on top of my thing. But I'm definitely gonna use this in school if I remember. Hopefully I remember. Because I don't remember many things. And I can also be Luna, like Luna Lovegood sometimes. Like, really, how am I going to make this dry? I have to put it in a pencil sharpener, but my whole family uses that pencil sharpener. I have to put it in like this. like not a video, but it's gonna be like the same exact thing. But writing something on a piece of wrapping paper. Hey, I would wrap it if I could. But you can't wrap a piece of paper. Okay. This is what this wasn't what I was planning to do, but for like the bag part, you see what I'm doing, right? You do. I'm making a puppet thingy, like a puppet guy, but with paint. Like, you know those show and tell thingies, like that pre-Kers used to do in kindergarten? Like when you were in kindergarten, yeah. Or if you're in kindergarten, probably not. But when you were in kindergarten, there's this thing called show and tell, or see and tell, or tell and show. I think it was see and tell. But no, it was show and tell. But we did like guess and tell, like at our school for like pre-K. Guess and tell. It's where like you gave like people hints, and then how long was this? Okay, only 7 minutes. I'm only painting one side because like it's gonna take like a long time. But in another video, I'm going to do the puppet thingy, but I'm only gonna do one. Oh yeah, I'm so excited that I'm so excited that I'm doing this in black. Like, it's the best. You guys, if you watch Harry Potter, you'll definitely know. But if you hate Harry Potter and you don't know one thing, you don't know one character except Harry, yeah, you will not understand this at all. I wasn't that born when it came out, because it was like, 10 years ago, when I'm only like, that was like 2 years before it was born and stuff. In 2008, 2 years before I was born. And in 2001, that's when Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone came out. In 2002, wait, did people actually say 2002? I don't know. And in 2002, that's when the Chamber of Secrets came out. 2003, Prisoner of Azkaban. 2004, Goblet of Fire. 2005, The Order of the Phoenix. 2006, The Half-Blood Prince. 2007, The Deathly Hallows. And 2008, the Part 2. Wait, but the Part 2 was in 2009. Oh god, it took a long time to make Part 2. It would have been like 5 hours if it was just Deathly Hallows, no parts. And at 4:30 today on USA, I don't know what channel that is for you, but on like me, it's 5:50. On 4:30, at 4:30, The Deathly Hallows Part 2 is coming on. Or Part 1. I think Part 1. Snape. Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore. No. Snape. Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore. Snape. Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore. Snape. Snape. That part I always get stuck on when it says Dumbledore because I can't do it by myself. Okay. This is what I wanted to do. I was gonna wrap the brush and like, you know, give it to my brother because he's at a Villanova game right now. But he's not versing Villanova. He's like watching it. And I'm gonna give it to my brother. And then he'll be like, "Oh, present for my early birthday. My late birthday. A late birthday present." And then it'll just be a painted on brush. His birthday was 3 days ago. Oh, and speaking about birthdays, my friend, she knew me since I was born. Her name is Gabby. Hopefully you're watching this. And her sister, Amelia, which has also been my best friend since birth. Tell her, tell her to watch this. And her birthday was yesterday, actually. She was turning 12. And I'm wishing her a happy birthday, even though I already did that, like, yesterday. Oh, and I'm also going to draw the face. Yes, face. But I'm also going to draw that with, I don't know what color eyes he has, but, okay. Well, he had, because, you know, Alan Rickman's dead. And I miss him. He played a wonderful character of Severus Snape. Even though he, you know, was, you know, Death Eater. Oh, wrong nose way. It's gonna be like Snape. Severus. His long hair. He's happy because he's seeing Lily in heaven. Lily Potter. Dang, I shouldn't have spoiled that. Okay. Hopefully none of you are Potterheads like me. It looks nothing like Snape, but look. Snape. Severus, I'll just make a Dumbledore even though he is also dead. I don't know if the actor who played him is, but... Okay, does this work? Yes, it works. Dumbledore. And hopefully you're hearing this in Wizard Heaven or Harry Potter Heaven. That looks like Hagrid. Hagrid's not dead. Okay, that looks exactly like Hagrid, so this is Hagrid. No, okay, it looks like it's Hagrid, but it's Dumbledore. It looks like a Minecraft guy with his hair. Snape. Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Snape, Severus Dumbledore. It doesn't go like that, but that's how I go like that. Okay. I need that paintbrush again. Oh my god. I'm gonna paint that back on. It's not on parchment or whatever British people call that. Was J.K. Rowling British? I really want to know that. Like, was J.K. Rowling British? J.K. Rowling's the person who made Harry Potter, like, who wrote all the books and made all the movies happen. This is hard just writing Harry. I'm only on R. Now I'm on the P. Well, now I'm on the P. The P is hard. And T's are easy. Hey, Fred and George right there. T and T. T and T. Okay, now the E's are gonna be hard. Like, very hard. Well, at least there's only one E. I'm just gonna put a lightning star there. Fun. Okay, now it's time to, it's my Harry Potter envelope, which is going to go on my wall and going not to go. I can't do it. Snape. Wait. Wait. Wait, no. Oh, you guys, can I put a flash on when I'm making a YouTube video? Dang it, I can't. But, bye-bye.